No matter what degree program you choose, working together on teams to create original video game projects is a core part of the DigiPen student experience. Curious how it all works? Let's walk through what game projects look like freshman and sophomore year. Freshman games at DigiPen start small. In year one, only computer science and game design students make games, and they do so in separate courses with different goals. CS students begin with a series of small, solo 2D games in the C programming language their first semester. Then, join a team to build a more substantial game from scratch, including the engine, in second semester. It's all about learning to solve problems through code. You get a few tools and best practices, but then it's up to you to experiment and solve problems in clever ways. Meanwhile, game design students form small teams in a separate course during second semester to build a 2D single-player game using a commercial engine. Their focus? Understanding the why of game development.
All the games you know and love, whether it's the ones you're playing now or the ones you'll create, are designed using core principles. These game design principles are what decide the game mechanics and the backbone of what the game is, how it plays, and what's important to the player. Game designers on project teams communicate and champion those game mechanics.
Sophomore year game projects begin to grow in sophistication and scope. Like freshman year, computer science students continue to create game team projects separately, while game design, art, and audio students join together for the first cross-disciplinary teams.
The goal of sophomore game projects is to learn how to work on a year-long team project and ship a game. By the end, students should have a good sense of what roles work well for them. During the first semester, game design, audio, and art students team up using the Unreal Engine to create 2 smaller 3D games, each built within set design constraints. In the second semester, they form larger teams to develop a single original 3D game of their choice. CS students work separately during both semesters to build a game engine from scratch in C++ and create a custom 2D game using their engine.
And your goal from a design standpoint is to create powerful experiences for the player. Broadly speaking, to think about why is this game fun? When somebody turns to their friend and goes, "That was awesome!" What does that mean? And then to get everybody on the team to agree with you and you share their ideas, they share your ideas, and you work towards that as a team.